As part of them strong commitments to keep environment clean, Uhunmwode Local Government Council on Saturday 26 July 2025 still join body again for the reintroduced monthly environmental sanitation exercise as dem enforce the law well across the whole local government area. To make sure say everywhere clean proper, dem shut down markets and close surrounding roads so that dem go fit do general clean-up. Uhunmwode Environmental Department and Local Government Task Force lead the sanitation work for important areas like Auchi Benin Bypass, Eyankatu Market and Umagbaya Aziz. For one talk session with our Tori people, the Chief Press Secretary to the Council, Osaro Dennis Ohiomare, wey represent the acting Chairmo, Honorable Benjamin Osas Iredia, talk say the exercise dey follow Edo State Governor Senator Monday Okpebholo order. E still talk say the council don already dey take steps to make sure say everybody follow the new law and dem don see better improvements for the areas wey dem visit.
On behalf of the Chairman, Honorable Benjamin Osas Iredia, we follow the directive of the state government, which says every last Saturday of every month there is environmental sanitation across the states, across the local government in Edo State. So this morning we don't visit in a cattle market, we don't visit all various places within the Uhunmwode houses, Umagbaya South and Umagbaya North. When we reach the cattle market, we see how the environmental sanitation and the task force they work. They do really great job, and they don't evacuate all those cattle refuse when they there. So by the grace of God, more of that will go on in the cattle market houses. Then as you can see, they are clearing and they are making sure that Uhunmwode looks shiny again and Uhunmwode look very clean according to the directives of the chairman.
Mr. Lucky Osunde, wey be the head of Water, Sanitation and Hygiene Department, talk say all the department heads show for ground to make sure say people comply and join the exercise. He talk say the whole arrangement follow the Chairmo directive to support the Edo State environmental goals.
Directed by the governor, Senator Monday Okpebholo, say make sanitation go on every end of the month. So now our chairman, Honorable Osas Iredia, Benjamin, say follow suit, say he must make sure this thing go well with the way the governor directed. That is what we are doing today. Today is the last Saturday of the month as directed by the chairman. Say make Uhunmwode dey clean, and we will do so. As we are showing, everybody are complying. They are clearing around the premises. They are clearing around everywhere. Make Uhunmwode dey clean. We don't want do what the chairman don't like. And that is why everybody in environment, all heads of department, we are all hard now to make sure they comply with the governor and the chairman of the local government.
When they bring these cow dumps, they should go to a dump site. We have dump site to evacuate the refuse. They agreed. Okay, early this year again, they evacuated refuse with millions of naira there. Not quite long. We told the henceforth, this should not repeat itself. They should go to a refuse dump. Now, look at what they are doing. So for this reason, now we're going to write abatement notice, giving them 24 hours to remove these nuisance here, or they will face the law. We'll take them to court. That's what they are going to do. We are going to use them as an example. Enough is enough.
This sanitation work shows say Uhunmwode local government still dey serious to keep the environment clean, healthy, and better for everybody wey dey live there. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ohifemi Onosimo, TMC News.